Okay, hello guys, how are you today? My name is Olimpiutuns and today I will be your host here. I will talk about US dollar longs, Japanese yen longs. I will take a look on Euro USD. I will talk about my short position here. Unfortunately, I wasn't able maybe to go short here, but I will tell you why, or I will tell you why I've decided not to open a new short position here in Euro versus US dollar. But first of all, please read the disclaimer. It's important to understand the risks, as you already know, guys. As always, before I will talk about Euro versus US dollar, please read it. You can email support, guys. What? Hi, Harry. So can you hear me, guys? Please confirm. Okay. So if you can hear me, if you can, first of all, I will close this window. Sorry guys, I will close this window and let's take a look here on the economic calendar, because in I don't know, in 31 minutes, the US is to release its prelim consumer sentiment. This indicator could bring some volatility later. Thank you. So how are you, Harry, Jimmy, Martin, Zafar? How are you, Charles? Yeah, thank you guys for being here. Don't forget, if you want to ask questions, I'm waiting for questions, for messages in that chat. But please guys, if you want me to take a look on a specific market, please tell me what you are looking at. First of all, your time frame or something, because I don't know, maybe if you will say only gold, I will take a look on daily. Maybe you want on 1 hour, on 15 minutes. Okay, so Jack, hi, how are you? So maybe this indicator later could bring some volatility. So I will keep an eye on the economic calendar. So I will start with Euro versus US dollar, because I've sent today, I've sent guys a video analysis talking about this market. But first of all, let's take a look on my short position. So my position, I'm still holding 30% in this short, and let's take a look. 1.0533, and right now, I don't know, something like 175 pips in profit. Let's take a look also on my real account. 4 hour short US 30, please. Yeah, I will take, Jack, I will take a look on that market. So right now, something like my short position in Euro versus US dollar is in profit, 175 pips. And earlier today, I talked about a new short opportunity, but yeah, personally, I would have liked to see here retest of the downtrend line before making a breakdown here and moving to the downside. Okay, so breakdown, aggressive breakdown here, aggressive breakdown, retest, but I didn't want it to place a sell stop here, because I have something here like 1.0352 as key level, strong downside level, resistance, support. Here at 1.0352, so that's why I didn't sell stop here after this aggressive breakdown, retest, and this it would have been my setup. So that's why I didn't want it to go short. But yeah, I've talked about this downside continuation here if the price escapes from this flag, from this up channel. So but yeah, as I've said earlier, personally I'm still keeping 30% in this setup. I've had an entry here at 1.0533, and as you already know, I've decided to take profits here, 1.0429. So I've closed at 70% of my my position here, and I've deleted the take profit, and I've let the position ride. So right now I'm in deep profit. Let's take a look also on here on my real account. You can see that my position, I'm still keeping yeah, so something like this, yeah, around the 170 pips in profit here on my real account. So let's take a look also. So these are our VIP trades right now. So Euro USD and US 500. After taking profits, after closing and taking profits, 1.13% on Euro versus US dollar, and also Orlando managed its position and took profits around 1% growth, so 2% growth in our real account with these two trades. So I will take a look on your so Jimmy, Harry, can Canadian dollar GPI go short? I will take a look. Yeah, Mohammed, can you please tell me where gold is going in the worst condition? Thanks. I don't know where gold. Talk about BTC and Shiba, please. I will take a look on cryptocurrencies as well. Thank you, guys. Okay. Okay, so I've talked about Euro versus US dollar. I've told you why I didn't open it a new short position here, because here I have, let's take a look on a higher time frame, because on daily maybe. So please take a look here. On daily we have this former low, and also this lower low here. So that's why I decided only to keep my my current short position, and I'll wait for maybe for a new setup or something. 1 hour. Okay, because you can see that the price maybe it would have been maybe too late to go short, maybe on lower time frames, intraday here, okay, or after this retest, but no, yeah, because you can see that it has reached 1.0352, and right now it has rebounded a little. Let's take a look on the dollar index, and then I will try to answer to your question. So right now, yeah, I'm keeping my my short position, and I will look for new setups, also on Euro versus the US dollar, also on other US dollar pairs, because seems like the USD is rising versus the Japanese. Yeah, I will take a look on that market. So right now, dollar index really is after this temporary drop. I've told you guys that maybe we'll have only temporary drop before extending its growth, and as long as the dollar index continues to grow, the US dollar could appreciate. So let's take a look on US dollar Japanese yen. First of all, I will answer to your questions. So yeah, unfortunately, and yesterday I talked about this this confluence area. At the intersection between the medium line with the medium line here, downside movement, but I've said that I don't want to go short here after this breakdown, aggressive breakdown. I'll wait for test retest, but you can see here that the price failed to test retest and then to extend its sell-off. The price jumped above these levels, and right now, yeah, in the short term, the US dollar versus the Japanese yen increased only because the dollar index increased, jumped higher. And let's take a look. Yen basket dropped. Yeah, I've talked about 84.51 yesterday, and I said that maybe a temporary drop here on yen basket could bring us new Japanese yen longs. So the current sell-off here, the current retreat here on the yen basket forced the Japanese yen to depreciate. So US dollar Japanese yen again. So I don't have a potential trade, high probability trade here in the short term. Maybe I will delete these. I'll wait maybe, because I'll wait to see how maybe the price will react here, because we have something like a resistance area, resistance zone here. So we have this former high here. So we have something like a resistance zone here, former support. I'll wait to see how the price, how the pair will react here around this resistance area, and I don't know, maybe a very breakout here. But no, I don't have a setup right now here in US dollar versus the Japanese yen. I'll wait, guys. Okay, because as long as it stays below this resistance area, 129.10, below 129.40, and making a valid breakdown here below the medium line could signal potential deeper drop. So no, right now I don't have a setup. The price moves somehow sideways here in the short term, so no, I don't have a high probability trade here. I don't want to buy it here below this resistance. Maybe I'll buy this market if the price will move sideways here. Okay, but no, right now I don't want to buy it here, so I don't have a high probability trade. And yeah, Mandla, right now this market, the currency pair increased, jumped higher, rebounded only because the dollar index resumed its growth and because the yen basket dropped it. Okay, this is the reason. So can Canadian dollar Japanese yen, I believe, go short. Canadian dollar Japanese yen, let's take a look. So please take a look here. Now right now we have a rebound, and maybe I will look for shorts here around the 23.6. okay, in Canadian dollar Canadian dollar Japanese yen. Okay, because as long as the yen basket drops, the Japanese yen depreciates. So that's why the Canadian dollar Japanese yen rallies right now. It has rebounded. So but as I've said, I will look for something here. Let's draw here something like a downtrend line. Downtrend line here, and we have also the 23.6, 99.71 here as resistance. And here, in my opinion, if it makes only test, retest, false breakouts, if it prints something like a false breakout with great separation, major bearish engulfing here, okay, it could signal that maybe the market could come back down, could turn to the downside. But this scenario could take shape, guys, only if the yen basket will resume its growth. Okay, so yeah, maybe after its massive sell-offs, major drop, a temporary rebound is natural, expected. Yeah, this is my opinion here. So I will look for shorts here. Okay, and maybe this this rebound, let's take a look here on lower time frames, on 15 minutes maybe. Let's see, maybe this is only maybe like this. This could be a flag pattern, a bearish pattern, if the price stays below the downtrend line. As I've said earlier, here test, retest, I don't know, a valid breakdown, and then sell off. So I will look for a potential short position like this here, if the price stays below the downtrend line, and if it makes a valid breakdown here. And in my opinion, a valid breakout here, test, retest, could signal a larger upwards movement. Okay, can you gold? Yeah, please, guys, if you have questions, I'm here. I'm trying to answer to your questions, and also I will try to take a look on all markets here. Even if it's Friday, maybe we'll catch something really good. And Harry, thank you as well. Please don't forget, guys, to like this video. So even if it's Friday, I will look for potential setups, and also I will not hesitate to place trades here right now if I'll find something really good, like a high probability trade. But as you already know, personally, I'm trading only high probability setups, so that's why most of the time I'm looking at markets, I'm trying to read the markets, I'm building analysis, trying to identify setups. So about gold, Muhammad Ali, can you please tell me where gold is going in the worst condition? Thanks. So gold is going down right now. I don't know. So right now, what can I can tell you this, that that gold is bearish, strongly bearish. Okay, you can see that we have something like a down channel here. Godspeed Freeman, hello from Vegas, great live. Yeah, thank you, man. So about gold is strongly bearish, guys. I've told you also yesterday in my previous webinar that here, as long as it stays below 1853, 1858, it could drop deeper. I've told you also that I don't know, moving here sideways or something, and making a value breakdown below the lower medium line could signal a deeper drop. So yeah, the price of gold extended its sell-off after a temporary rebound, test retest. Unfortunately, it has failed to make a new higher high here to jump close and stabilize above 1858.30. So right now it's strongly bearish, but right now it's too late to go short here because it is almost to hit this the channel's downside line. So I have a downtrend line, I have here, yeah, the downside line as potential support, dynamic support here. So that's why no, it's too late to go short here in gold because it is almost to hit this the channel's downside line, and also the weekly S3 1793 here. So no, I'll wait about gold. Gold is the yellow metal is bearish, is strongly bearish. So I don't know, we cannot exclude more declines here, but right now it's too late maybe to go short. Yeah, it's too late to go short here. Maybe personal wait for temporary rebounds before dropping deeper or something. Okay, or I don't know if it makes here a valid breakdown, but no, it could be too late to go short right now in gold. Okay, and also in my opinion the price of gold dropped it deeper, extended its sell-off because the dollar index rallied. Okay, resumed its growth. Silver, same here. It's too late right now to go short. Maybe personally, maybe I would like to see, as I've said also yesterday, I would like to see a strong rebound before dropping deeper also here in silver, because right now I don't want to sell it here because the price could rebound before extending its sell-off. Okay, so no, as long as I don't have a high probability trade and setup, no, I will stay away. Okay, Bitcoin and Shiba. Jack, 4-hour short US 30. Let's take a look. US 30. So US equities rebounded in the short term. So 4-hour shorts. Yeah. So Jack, as you can see here, we have a rebound here on US 30, and also let's take a look. US 100 rebound. Okay. US 500 rebound. Orlando is still keeping his position here in US 500. So US 30. About US 30, you can see here that it has found support here on this level, maybe 31,261. It has registered only false breakdown here below the channel's downside line, and right now it has rebounded. But as you can see here, this former low, 32,226, represents an upside obstacle, potential target, and yeah, maybe I will look for shorts on lower time frames, Jack. Okay, because I want confirmation here on lower time frames, maybe. Okay, from around this area, resistance area, key level, and let's take a look here to see if we can identify something like selling setup. So this pivot as support 31,921. Yeah, personally I would have liked to see here maybe test, retest, false breakouts before dropping deeper, before coming back down, and also this immediate low as support. Yeah, let's take a look on the dollar index here on. Yeah, right now the dollar index drops here on 15 minutes. I'll wait to see how it will react maybe here, and if I'll decide to go short, guys, here I will go short from below this this low here. But right now I'm afraid that maybe it could register only false breakdowns or something, so that's why I don't want to place a sell stop here. Okay, it could, I don't know, move sideways here before extending its growth or something, so that's why it could only register false breakdowns, and that's why I don't want to place a sell stop here right now. But I will come back to US 30 later during this webinar, and maybe I will identify high probability setup or something. Euro USD, let's take a look. Yeah, rebound here in the short term. Yeah, this is the reason why I didn't want it to open a new short here after this breakdown. I would have liked to see here test, retest here, yeah, and then sell off, or here after this breakdown I would have liked to see something like this before something like this. Okay, US 100. Please guys, if you have questions, US 100. Yeah, US 100. Let's draw an ascending pitchfork. Yeah, you can see that US 100, 1, 2, and 3 rally towards the medium line, lower medium line retest, and right now breakout. So that's why right now I don't want to go short on US 30, because here on US 100 it has signaled that maybe if it stays here, yeah, it could continue to grow in the short term, and this scenario, a larger rebound, could also I don't know, force the US 30 to increase a little as well. So I'll wait. US 500. Same here. I'll wait for the rebound to end, for the US 500 to end to end its rebound before I will look for potential shorts. So Bitcoin, let's take a look on Bitcoin. As I've said yesterday, guys, staying here below the lower medium line, staying below 28,800 and below this resistance, it could signal potential deeper drop. Right now it has passed and jumped above the lower medium line, above the immediate resistance levels, and I don't know, test, retest here could signal that maybe the price of Bitcoin could also approach and reach this key level, this pivot, this former low, 32,950.72. Okay, but as I've said also yesterday, yeah, maybe this pin bar here, this pin bar signaled that the sellers are exhausted, signaled maybe a temporary rebound in the short term, but yeah. one moment, because I want to invite more members. But as I said, a temporary rebound on Bitcoin could maybe bring new selling opportunities, new short opportunities, and this rebound helped also Ethereum to rebound. Please take a look here. Yeah, rebound after reaching this this support zone, demand area. But also here about the Ethereum, I've told you yesterday that personally I'm looking at these resistance levels, test retest. Maybe it could come back down. Okay. Yeah, one moment. Okay, so let's continue. One moment. So Shiba USD. Yeah, I've had something here, but yeah, I will delete maybe all my drawings. Euro, New Zealand dollar. But please, Hansen, please tell me what you are looking at on Euro, New Zealand dollar, because I don't know your time frame. I don't know what you are looking at. I don't know your analysis. I don't know anything. Yeah. So please, USD MXN, Harry, US dollar versus the Mexican peso. Also on that market, please guys, tell me what we are looking at. Jimmy, yeah. So about Shiba, let's take a look. Let's take a look. So rebound, as I've said, guys, because the price of Bitcoin rebounded, the altcoins rebounded as well, and also let's we have something like, as you can see here, so strong downside movement, strong sell-off, actually downside continuation here after after ignoring this or actually after registering a very breakdown before below, sorry, 0.000017, and as you can see, it has reached these former highs here, yeah, as potential as support levels. Okay, so right now rebound, but in my opinion, as long as it stays below this key level, it could only rebound, test retest before dropping deeper. And in my opinion, and as I've said earlier, if the price of Bitcoin will drop deeper, then also the altcoins could drop. Okay, so maybe let's use this level. So yeah, as I've said, we have these former highs here as key levels, as support levels. You can see that it has registered only a false breakdown with great separation, a pin bar, and right now it has rebounded. But in my opinion, this could still be only a temporary rebound because I don't know, as long as it stays below this downtrend line, it's hard to believe that maybe it will yeah, print something like this. I would like to see maybe here test retest, sideways movement here around support, demand zone, demand area, because yeah, maybe I would like to actually I will look for potential longs here, or if the price will move sideways, before breaking above the downtrend line, or if the price makes something like this, I will look for longs. But right now it's premature. Personally, I'll wait to see how the price will react here around these resistance levels. Okay, I'll wait also for Bitcoin to bring us new opportunities, trading opportunities. So maybe I will have opportunities also here on Shiba. Yeah, please take a look. Down channel support here. Amazing, right? Amazing drop also here on this altcoin cryptocurrency. US oil, guys, and then I will take a look on Japanese yen. Yeah, US oil, it has found support here on the medium line of the descending pitchfork here, right above the uptrend line. And right now, maybe personally I would like to see here test retest sideways movement before it will make a new higher high. As I said yesterday, maybe a new higher high could signal an upside continuation. So yeah, I'm looking for longs here in US oil. Let's take a look on 1 hour. I will delete this range. Maybe this level. And after this amazing rally, personally I would like to see here test retest of the upper medium line before extending its growth, because we are at resistance here, resistance zone, resistance area, this former high. So yeah, I'll wait for something, but the bias is bullish, and as I've said also yesterday, the bias is bullish and the new higher high could signal potential growth. But right now I don't have a setup here to trade. That's why I want something like this before jumping higher, or I want to see a new higher high, a strong consolidation, because no, I don't want to go long here below resistance. Yeah, but yeah, I will keep an eye on US oil, and maybe I will have something next week. British pound, US dollar. So let's refresh the economic calendar, because in less than 1 minute we'll have the US data dump. Strong sell-off here on the British pound versus the US dollar. It's too late here to are the any payment methods you have except card number and for VIP content? Please, if you are interested in our services, and let's take a look. You can email support, guys, about payment method, about subscription services. Okay, because the support team will come back to you and will sort you out. Let's refresh the economic calendar. So yeah, please email support if you have questions about payments, subscription services. And don't forget, guys, that one moment. Okay, so let's refresh. Preliminary consumer sentiment worse than expected, so that's why right now maybe the US dollar could depreciate a little in the short term. Okay, so let's take a look on the dollar index after worse than expected indicator. Yeah, Euro USD. Maybe I will manage my my position here in Euro US dollar. But right now, yeah, the pressure is still high. So if you want to join us, you can use that link. And don't forget, guys, that also you can still use today. You can still use VIP 21 at the checkout. This code, this coupon, to get a 21% discount. Yeah, if you are a free member, if you want to join us, you can still use VIP 21 at the checkout to get a 21% discount. Okay, very, very important. So about Euro USD, as I've said, maybe, yeah, I will keep an eye on Euro USD, and I don't know, maybe I will manage it. Yeah, but right now, yeah, I'm keeping my my position as it is. Maybe I will I don't know, maybe I will decide to move my stop loss from here to here or something, but I will let it ride right now. Yeah, so it was a great decision not to go short here today. Yeah, it was a really great decision not to go short here, because the price only reached support key level 1.0352, but the bias remains bearish as long as it stays below this downtrend line. So right now I'll keep my position. Really interesting in scalping gold in the one or 5 minute. Yeah, it's up to you if you want to do scalping. Personally, I'm not a scalper. Yeah, gold rebounds, really is. As I've said, it was too late to maybe to go short here. It's risky. Yeah, 1 minute maybe to do something. Anything could happen. The price could I don't know, could register a sharp movement. So personally, I'm not a scalper, but yeah, I'm looking on lower time frames as well, like 15 minutes, 30 minutes, maybe 5 minutes. Yeah, but yeah, right now the price of gold rebounded, rallies, edges higher only because the dollar index drops. Yeah, also here, yeah, only false breakout above 104.92. I'm still thinking what to do with my short in Euro USD. Let's take a look. So Euro USD. Sorry, I don't know what happened with my platform. One moment. Yeah, Netflix. I will take a look on that on Netflix as well if you want. So I will have to take a look on. I don't know what happened with my MetaTrader 4 platform. That's why I will take a look on my on mobile. Yeah. Yeah, I'm still keeping my trade in euro versus US dollar. I will come back with my update maybe later. Okay, so Netflix, I see. Daily. Let's take a look on daily. And technically, sorry. And I will take a look on Japanese yen in a few minutes, only because maybe I will catch something on Japanese yen. Okay, yeah, whoa. Amazing drop here, 76% or something. And right now it seems that the bias remains bearish also after this gap down. Hi, what is the email, as nobody replies to my mails? Jason, so the email is support around so this is the email. You can email support, but please Jason, if you sent an email to support, the support team will come back to you, but please understand that that there are thousands of messages, thousands of emails that they need to process, and yeah, that's why you will have to wait. To be patient, please be patient. They will come back to you, don't worry. But yeah, unfortunately, this is the situation right now. I'm not working for support. I'm not working for the support team, but they will reply. They will come back to you. So I was curious if you thought it would go lower. So I don't know, Godspeed Freeman, but yeah, technically, please take a look here. Yeah, it has ignored maybe strong and key levels, strong maybe downside obstacles or something. And also after these gaps, please take a look here. Gap down, it has failed to close it. Gap down, it has failed to come back to close it. And yeah, it seems that technically the pressure is high, and yeah, and in my opinion, as long as it stays also below 231.23, and fundamentally, I don't know what to say about Netflix right now. I need to do some research before I will talk about Netflix fundamentally, but technically, yeah, the pressure is high. After ignoring these levels, yeah. Maybe I'll keep an eye on 129.29. I don't know, but Jimmy, hello sir. Hi, how are you? How are you, Jimmy? yeah, it's really hard to build something here like a technical analysis in the short term. Yeah, on on this price action. Yeah, it's really hard. So yeah, I will have to do some research fundamentally before I will talk about Netflix. But yeah, maybe I will talk about Netflix in my in the next live trading session, live webinar. Okay, so okay. Is the F1 strategy available in the training? You will have to wait for the F1 strategy right now, and this could be, and actually I believe that this is something different. Yeah, market is wild. Yeah. Strategy is another F1 strategy is another project, a different product. So yeah, but don't worry, because we'll come back to you with more info about that F1 strategy soon. Okay. USD CAD, let's take a look on USD CAD. Yeah, sell off. DXY, let's take a look. DXY is still bullish. It's still bullish. That's why I'm still holding my my position in Euro US dollar. Yeah. US dollar, Swiss franc. US dollar, Swiss franc. Temporary drop. Let's talk about this market here. Yeah, I will keep only this this downtrend line. And also Fibonacci retracement here. Yeah, it's it has failed here to stabilize below 23.6, signaling that maybe it will resume its upwards movement, breakout, retest. But I don't know, it could be risky maybe to. Let's take a look on higher time frames. Because here personally I'm looking for longs, okay, for buying opportunities. Let's take a look if we'll use yeah, guys, so 1, 2 and 3, a descending pitchfork. Right now it has registered only false breakout above the upper medium line. It retests the upper medium line. Yeah, unfortunately the US data disappointed earlier, and we are at resistance here, false breakout. And only if the dollar index will resume its growth, the US dollar versus the Swiss franc will resume its growth as well. I don't know, maybe I'll wait for a valid breakout here, test retest, before going long, because I'm afraid that maybe the US dollar versus the Swiss franc will register only false breakouts, and then it could come back down if the dollar index drops. Okay, and that's why I don't want, guys, because in the past and in the last year we've traded this kind of potential setups, maybe like this, yeah, to place a buy stop there, stop loss here, and I don't know, yeah, take profit. But unfortunately, if the price makes only a false breakout here, stabilization below 1.0049, it could come back down. So that's why I don't want to do anything right now, but I'll keep an eye on this market. I would like to see a valid breakout here, okay, and a new higher high. And maybe even if I'll go long at market, I would like to see a valid breakout. Yeah. New Zealand dollar, US dollar, yeah, rebound right now. Yeah, unfortunately, worse than expected US data. Prelim, consumer sentiment, worse than expected. 59.1 points, far below 64.1. So yeah, Euro USD again. Let's see. I'm thinking I don't know, 74. I will have to take a look again on my platform to see. One moment. Yeah, my platform works again. So yeah, guys, I've closed my my position here in Euro versus the US dollar. I will update the groups. So I've closed my remaining 30% in Euro versus the US dollar at 1.0378, guys. I will update the groups. Closed my remaining 30% in Euro USD at 1.03. One moment. Okay. So I've closed it. I've had to update the VIP group. If the VIP members want to follow my management. Okay, because I don't want to keep this this trade during weekend. I will look. Maybe I will look for potential shorts maybe next week. But right now, please take a look here. Please take a look here on. One moment. Okay, sorry about that, because please take a look here, guys. Yeah, I will delete this setup from here. So as I've said earlier, it has reached strong key levels, support levels here, support zone, support area maybe. So that's why personally I've decided to close this setup positions, short position here at 1.03 78, 155 pips profit here on this setup, on this market. Really good trade. Got the message in the VIP for Euro USD. Yeah, it's up to you if you want to follow my trade management, but yeah, maybe personally I don't want to keep it during weekend, and I will look for maybe for potential shorts next week. Okay, I don't know. I'll wait to see how it will react. Maybe here, yeah, and then maybe I will look for potential new shorts, because if it makes a very breakout, it could rebound, but this scenario could take shape only if the dollar index, unfortunately the dollar index registered this false breakout above 104.92. okay, so that's why I've decided to manage my my position in euro versus the US dollar, and right now I believe that one moment. So with my short position in euro versus US dollar, I've made almost 2% in my real account. Okay, almost 2%, which is really good on a single trade with that short position on euro versus the US dollar. Okay, if I'm understanding correctly, we reflect on the DXY, and if it's bullish, we look at USD pairs for same strength. So personally, I'm looking at, here at the dollar index, and when the dollar index grows, yeah, the US dollar could appreciate. Okay, so that's why I'm looking, first of all, maybe I'm looking here on the dollar index to see the direction, to see if the dollar index could jump higher, or if the dollar index could drop deeper, before I will look for potential US dollar longs or shorts, okay, trading opportunities. So yeah, so that's why right now this false breakout here, bearish engulfing in the short term, could signal that the dollar index could retreat, unfortunately. And as I've said earlier, that economic indicator, even if that economic indicator wasn't a high impact event, so prelim University of Michigan consumer sentiment, so 59.1, far below 64.1 expected, so worse than expected data. That's why right now the dollar index dropped it, crashed it, and personally I've wanted to manage my position in euro USD also, because it has reached, yeah, this support zone. Okay, this is the reason why I've decided to manage my my position. I decided to take profits, because here only false breakdowns with great separations. So I don't know, test retest or something could signal potential rebound if the dollar index drops. And yeah, a really good decision today not to go short here. Yeah, only false breakdown of great separation below this former low, signaling that maybe the sellers are exhausted in the short term. Yeah, okay, guys, euro Japanese yen. No, unfortunately it seems that yen basket drops deeper. Yeah. Okay, maybe I'll wait here on the Japanese yen for the yen basket to end its sell-off, its drop. Maybe it could come back down to retest this downtrend line. I don't know. So right now, the Japanese yen depreciates as the yen basket drops. Yeah, we have rebounds. Yeah, Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, it has reached the downtrend line, this resistance area. I will keep an eye to see I will keep an eye on this market to see how it will react here, because if it's a register only false breakouts, very breakdown here could signal a new sell-off or something. So yeah, rebounds. Yeah, okay, guys. US dollar Mexican peso. Someone asked me about this market. I believe that it drops. Yeah. Yeah. So that's why I decided, guys. I decided yesterday to manage my my position here around 20.409. I decided to close my long position at break even here at 20.409 at break even, because please take a look here. Yeah, it was the last chance. It was the last chance to close the position, my long position here at break even, guys, because right now sell off, it would have maybe reached my stop loss. It was a great decision also yesterday to manage this position at break even, US dollar versus the Mexican peso. Yeah. Okay, Canadian, can you look over Canadian dollar, Japanese yen? So I will we talked about this market, as I've said a few minutes ago. So Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, I said earlier that okay, about the Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, as I said, this could represent okay, so I've talked about this this potential flag up channel, and I've said that as long as it stays below the downtrend line, and so staying below this downtrend line, test retest, only false breakouts, and a valid breakdown here below the uptrend line could signal a new sell-off. But right now, let's go back. Yen basket. Yen basket sell-off. As long as the yen basket continues to drop, and if it drops deeper, if it makes a value breakdown below 83.0606, and if it continues to drop towards this downtrend line here, so a deeper drop here on yen basket could force the Canadian dollar, Japanese yen to jump towards new highs here, to make a valid breakout, maybe here to break out above the downtrend line. So I'll wait here to see how it will react. Okay, I'll wait to see how it will react, because I don't want to do anything. I'll wait for a valid breakout here, to signal potential upside continuation, or I'll wait for the price maybe to invalidate a breakout here, yeah, or something like this. Okay, US dollar, Swiss franc again, Z, yeah. As I've said earlier, that's why I don't want to place a buy stop here, only because it could register only false breakouts and then it could drop. Right now, guys, that's why I've decided also to manage my position in euro versus US dollar. I decided to take profits, 155 pips profit, only because the DXY registered a false breakout, and right now it drops after worse than expected US data. And about this market, no, I don't want to sell it. Okay, I don't want to sell US dollar versus the Swiss franc, only because I don't know, maybe I'll wait. Yeah, false breakouts, but we have this level here as support, 0.9992 or something. So so please, guys, take a look here. This is why I'm using Pitchfork, this amazing tool, technical tool, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so breakout above this downtrend line. Okay, breakout, but it has invalidated it, this breakout. Please take a look here. It has dropped it, but it has found resistance here at the upper medium line. False breakout, retest, and right now it has dropped it. But here in the short term on US dollar versus the Swiss franc, maybe it will move sideways, and maybe we'll have a triangle here, and the value breakout here could signal potential growth. I don't know, something like this. Right now I don't want to do anything here on this market. Okay, or maybe I will look for potential longs from above this level, as I've said earlier, if it makes a value breakout. So this is my opinion. Okay, thank you guys for watching this live session. Don't forget to like the video, to like this video, and have a great weekend, guys. If I will decide to open or to place a trade later today, I will share my trade into the VIP group. Okay, thank you guys, see you next week.